Welcome to this NASH 2025 tutorial. In this video, we will guide you through the process of logging in and taking the test. You have two login options, using your DepEd Microsoft account or your DepEd Google account. For this tutorial, we'll log in using a DepEd Google account. Simply enter your email and password to proceed. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the NASH main page. Click the Click Here button to access the mock test. To begin the assessment, select the Attempt Quiz button. Now let us explore the quiz interface to get familiar with its layout. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the current item number you're working on. In the center, the question and its multiple choice options will be displayed. On the right side, you'll find the quiz navigation panel, which displays all quiz items. Answered items will appear shaded in gray, while unanswered ones will remain blank. If you're uncertain about a response, you can flag the question. A red flag will appear next to it in the navigation panel, making it easy to review later on. Once you reach the end of the quiz, take a moment to carefully review all your answers. Revisit and edit any items you're unsure about and ensure that no question is left unanswered. When you're confident with your responses, click the Submit All and Finish button to complete the assessment. Good luck, NASH 2025 taker! You've got this!